Hey guys, what's up? Today I thought I would film a date night tutorial, so this is going to be kind of a pretty cute kind of look. I thought it fit really well with this dress that I bought. It has like lace and stuff. And while I'm talking about things that are really pretty and cute, I thought I would also share with you this necklace I have on. It's from a company called Chic Wishlist, which makes very beautiful items. They make a lot of jewelry and other kind of accessories. They also have a lot of very cute clothes. So you guys should definitely go and check them out. This is one of their like smaller, daintier things, but they also make a lot of statement pieces as well. So if that's something you guys are into, you should definitely check it out. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with my Makeup Forever foundation. I'm just going to put some of that on the back of my hand. And I'm going to take my Sedona Lace 928 brush and blend that. How was you guys' Christmas? Mine was pretty good, but I spent a lot of it working. Because working at a vet where we do kennel and stuff, we had boarders and stuff, so we had to go in and take care of them. But we kind of split it up, so we only had to do 2 hours in the morning or 2 hours at night for weekdays. So it wasn't too bad, but it ended up that I had to do the afternoon a lot of days, so I really didn't go to very many things. But what kind of gifts did you guys get for Christmas? My fiance got me an amazing gift. He got me a new laptop and editing software, so I really hope that you guys enjoy the new software and stuff as I learn to use it. Next up, I'm going to use the NYX HD Concealer, and I'm going to put that under my eyes. But yeah, I'm having a lot of fun playing with the editing software. And it's probably one of my favorite gifts that I got this year. I'm just going to blend this in with a beauty blender. Now that we're going into the new year though, I have some like resolutions and stuff, like not spending as much money on random stuff. Next I'm going to be using the NYX Full Coverage Concealer on any spots and redness. But yeah, me and my fiance were discussing our finances for getting an apartment when we get married and stuff, and I didn't realize until he asked me about like what I was spending every month, how much I was spending on like random stuff I didn't need. So my goal is to cut back on that quite a bit. Not sure how well that's going to go because I love to shop, but hopefully it'll go well. Next, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Minor Sin, sorry, and I'm just going to apply that to my eyelids. I'm almost done using these, you guys, so the review for them will be coming shortly. I've already gotten the review written for the first 3, and I just need to do the last one. Next up, I'm going to take my Sephora Beautiful Crush palette. Let's see where I'm going to start. I think I'm going to start off by taking this pretty shimmery pink color and putting that over my eyelids. Next up, I'm going to take my blender brush and I'm going to take this darker brown and use that to blend out. Next up, I'm going to touch up the pink just a little bit. Now I'm going to take my Veramona smudger brush and I'm going to take some more of that brown and go under my eyes. Next up, I'm going to take some of this shimmery skin color and I'm just going to use that to highlight. I'm also going to take a little bit of this grayish color and use that in the inner corners. And then I'm going to touch up the pink just a little bit more. And you guys can absolutely play with this, with the layering and stuff, until you get it how you want it. A lot of doing this kind of thing is just trial and error. Next up, I'm going to curl my lashes. Now that I've curled my lashes, I'm going to take my Falsies Push Up Angel Mascara and use that on my eyelashes, on the tops and the bottoms. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes again. Now that I've done that, I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics By Porous Pressed Powder and I'm going to use that all over my face. After that, I'm going to take my Hoola Benefit Bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that all over in the contour areas. This is still like my favorite bronzer, you guys. Like, I don't even want to buy anything else. I love this one so much. If you guys have never tried this and you can afford it, I highly recommend it. Thankfully, it costs like 30 bucks, but it's not something that you have to buy super often, so it's not terribly bad. Hi, Solaire. Solaire is in here helping me film. He's supervising. Next up, I'm going to take my Luxie blush brush, and I'm going to take my Beautiful Crush palette again, and I'm going to take this peachy color and use that on my cheeks. Next up, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier highlighter and another Luxie brush, and I'm going to put that on my cheekbones, forehead, nose, chin, and cupid's bow. So if I don't drop the brush everywhere first. I've been such a klutz today. I've dropped like everything. From like the time I got up, I was dropping things. Next up, I'm going to take just a simple pink lip color, and I'm going to apply that all over my lips. Unfortunately, I don't have a name of this I can give you guys, because it's out of one of the Christmas boxes, but once I get that on, I'm going to take my NYX Butter Gloss in the color Eclair, and I'm going to put that over the top of it. And you guys could definitely add an eyeliner to this look if you wanted to. As you might know, I don't do a whole lot of eyeliner, which is the only reason I didn't. And you guys could also definitely leave off the lips. I know some people would prefer not to do lipstick when going on a date because it'll transfer onto the person you're dating and stuff if you kiss them. But personally, I just think it looks really good with this look, so that's why I went ahead and did it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!